Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can do the rental payment through your Bharatpe app. For that, just open the Bharatpe app. So after opening the app in the home page, we just need to scroll down, and when we scroll down in the payment section, we can just see the more option right there. Just tap on the more option right here. So when we reach here, we just need to scroll down for a bit, and in the other section we can just see the rental payment section right there. Just tap on the rental option right there, and in here we just need to choose your rental provider right here. So in here we just need to enter your unique registration number. After that, just tap on the continue option. This is how you're gonna pay your rental payment through your Bharat Pay app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.